Show you how you can save time by using the group by function. This is a large pile of data, and I have the sales for a bunch of people, and I'd like to figure out the commission for these people. Previously I have created a pivot table and then totaled the values, but now there's no need to do that. We have the group by function, and it works perfectly. It's very simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to, first of all, the J is where the salespeople are located, and we would like to total up the F, which is the amount that they sold. Okay, so we're going to go equals and group by. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do an opening bracket, and we're going to select the column that is where we're grouping it by. And so I'm going to go Control Shift down arrow to get to the bottom. And we've got to our 9,000 records. And now I'm going to put a comma there. And so now we're sorting it by that. And now we're going to go back to the top. And I'm going to go amount, and so I'm going to go from here, and I'm going to go once again Control Shift down arrow, and there I get to the end. Now what would I like to do with this? I would like to sum these, and so I'm going to type sum, and I'm going to close my bracket, and I'm going to press enter. And so there is the totals of all of these different salespeople have sold. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to put some currency on here. And then let's figure out their commission. They get 15% commission, so what we're going to do is we're going to go equals this times 0.15, and there you go to the end. So in two steps, you've got the commission figured out for 9,000 records here. Group by, it's a wonderful function. Please subscribe.